courses, computer courses, leadership camp in collaboration with NYK, Ministry Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, and NSS University of Madras since 2000 and trained more than 5,000 youngsters. Sir is a Honorable Secretary, OGAM project, that focuses on entrepreneurs' development for orphans and the youth who are below the poverty line. Sir is a member, National Council for Science and Technology Communication Award Committee, Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi. Sir is also the member, Best Book Award Committee, Nehru Yuva Kendra, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, and National Best Youth Club Award Committee. Sir is also associated with the Board of... The floor is all yours. Thank you.
Most respected Colonel Professor Dr. Balasubramaniam, sir, distinguished directors, faculty members, and my dear young, energetic future leaders, good morning to one and all. Thank you. Really, it's a great pleasure to share my thoughts and views on transformation of human resources into human capital in this wonderful 14th National HR Meet in a general title. It's an excellent title, as you are aware. The changing environment, business environment, what is our role? What are the challenges in the changing business environment? See, I'm enjoying for the past 2 days. Yesterday I came here and witnessed 2 sessions, and you are all very much interactive. That really gave me much pleasure. And today also, the first session, you were asking many queries, and really, I appreciate you. The entire event, I could see right from yesterday onwards, in a very methodical way, systematic way, it is being organized and executed. Today, by lighting Kuttuvilakku, I was very much impressed. You know, I am right from the down south of Tamil Nadu state, where we used to light Kuttuvilakku every day, probably in many of the houses like that. Such great, whenever we organize some national level or international level or state level, even local functions, we always begin with lighting Kuttuvilakku. You know, there is a very good song. When you light Kuttuvilakku, you must know it. I will tell in Tamil, followed by English. Vilakke, Thiruvilakke, Vendan Udarpirappe, Jodi Mani Vilakke, Sridevi Ponmaniye, Andi Vilakke, Alangara Nayakiye, Kandi Vilakke, Kamachi Tayare. Pasumbun. I will give you meaning for the entire version, what all I am telling in English. You will enjoy the language. If I pronounce correctly, then only it will imbibe some devotional thoughts on you. In that way. Kulambola neivittu kolamudan yeti vaithen, yetinen thiruvilakku yendan kudi vilanga, வைத்தேன் திருவிளக்கு மாளிகையும் தான் விளங்க மாதாவை கண்டு மகிழ்ந்தேன். That song will be narrating today, for example, the chief guest, Mr. Mohan, Dr. Balasubramaniam, myself and other dignitaries, we lighted Kuttuvilakku. What we say, you know, today we are lighting Kuttuvilakku, saying that the entire show of the today function should be very successful. All the audience should be more beneficial to this in this seminar. Likewise, wishing the entire event we are lighting Kuttuvilakku. That is our custom. And I request, though the chairs are in a slanting position, you, be the youngsters, sit erect. Come on. All you must sit erect. If you sit erect, your height will be increased by 2 inches. Sit erect. In such a way, you can develop your personality. Here, the transformation of human resources into human capital is a vital subject today. I will tell you the entire information contrary to the earlier one. You know, you have been given lot of information for the past 3 days. This is the 3rd day. There are 2 things which are very important. Letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes. You know, letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes. Letter, number are the 2 eyes of human being. What are they? They are only art and science. Letter is art, number is science. Letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes of living kind, human being. Both are the eyes. Which both? Art and science. Another interpretation, letter, number. If I interpret like this, said by whom? Letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes. It is a version given by divine poet Thiruvalluvar, who wrote only 7 words. It gives the entire meaning. Every human being should know the art, the depth of art, and he should know science. Art and science should be the 2 eyes of human being. Said by whom? Thiruvalluvar. You know, in Kanyakumari there is a big statue. Thiruvalluvar, who wrote 1330 couplets. In that 1330 couplets, he gives lot of informations. He details more techniques about education, communication techniques, management principles. Even he explains what is business. You are asking about the business environment. What is business? He explains. Not today. 2043 years ago he wrote 1330 couplets, kindly mind it. And he says, you know, he didn't say earn money. He says create money. Earlier Mr. Mohan told you, know, money is our honey. So we are changing one organization to another organization. But what Thiruvalluvar says, you create money, for which only you are here. 2 years course is a tough course. You are all practicing getting excellent education in a very good atmosphere. That I could see Colonel Balasubramaniam sir is giving all encouragement to you in such a way to make you the best business magnate in the national wide and international wide. So, letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes. So also, improve one personality. Individual improvement and community development are the 2 eyes of human being. You are developing individually, agreed. No doubt. After 2 years, you will be joining in any one of the big organizations, earning money, right? But what is your role further? How to improve individually and community-wise? Here only I would give you some thoughts, some informations. You know, China is the most population, more population is in first place China, second in India. You know how much population China? Can anyone tell? How much crore? 135 or nearing 140 crores. What about India? 121 or 122 nearby, right? But in many places, China products are very popular. It may be cheap. In many places they are having. Think over, what is our place? How far we are creating or producing the products? How much Indian products are very popular worldwide? Think over. What is the lacuna? Do you want to become only a servant, or you want an employee or employer? Tell me. Employer. Yes, I'm happy. For which, how to make yourself fit to become an employer? For example, our Balasubramanian sir, he came here in his young age, started an institution. He is rather practicing his dreams for so many years, and he is always mingling with people. He creates many people. So that is the development. So what I request, human resources should be transferred into human capital. Not can we transfer immediately? First, the human are to be trained to be more resourceful. That human resources should be utilized well in such a way human development should be there. So human resource, human development, then development should be made as a human capital for further improvement. So the individual improvements, I could say around 10 tips. Because in radio, we used to talk to the audience. We will not see the audience. We will see only the student. There won't be any person. Thinking that we are listened by lakhs and millions of people, we used to talk in radio. How? In the studio. Thinking that we will be delivering informations to them or communicating informations to them. But when I am seeing you, more than 800 students, it's really a great pleasure to share my thoughts and views on individual improvement. We used to say there are three things: keen observation plus intelligent thought plus persistent search for truth gives progress. One individual improvement, if any individual who wants to improve himself, keen observation. What is happening in and around? Mere by observation, not ordinary observation, keen observation. Intelligent thought. In an equational format we can give what is progress. Every individual's progress, keen observation. Then intelligent thought, what you observed. You must think a lot. How best it can be improved. What are the inputs? How to generate more ideas, more creativity, more innovation, and then how best we can bring it out in a better way for the individual improvement and community development. So keen observation, intelligent thought, and persistent search for truth, where again we will be going on searching it, researching it. So that will lead to progress. There are three things for progress: keen observation plus intelligent thought plus persistent search for truth. Likewise, I can give you 10 tips for individual improvement. Our literature gives lot of informations. Initially I quoted from Tirukkural. Tirukkural, 1330 couplets, number of informations. You know, it has been translated into more than 90 languages. All over the world, there are 3 books only translated into many languages. You know, first place, Bible. Second one, Quran. Third one is Tirukkural. So that I am quoting that. For your information, I am, as they said in my profile reading, MTS Academy Secretary. MTS Academy. Motivation and training for success. If you are motivated, you will get training. Training will give you success. I was told that you are attending the institution all the 7 days. It's a news to me. Really, it's great. And you have been motivated to get the training. When Bala Sahib was talking to me yesterday, he told me, I am giving training to them visa for corporate citizenship. To get a visa, they have to work a lot for the around 2 years without any break. That shows what? That is his target. You are all very much helping him. In such a way, you are learning more. He is executing his thoughts and views very effectively and efficiently. So MTS, through MTS Academy, I am conducting for the past 27 years Arivu Kalanjiyam competitions for children, youth, women and senior citizen every year. For children in the month of November and during the summer vacation in the month of May. Why I am telling this, you know, our literature, our even some grammar books in Tamil I can say, since I am more familiar with that, I am quoting that. Nannul and Tolkapiyam, even in grammar books, they are giving informations about the life development, that is human development, thoughts in literature and grammar. How to read, how to listen, even for sitting and listening in the seminar, how to listen. They have given a grammar, total information. Perceive, project, present, P cube. Enhance, enrich, empower, E cube, and then excel, 10th one. Why I am confining with the 10? Our Thiruvalluvar says 10 couplets for each chapter. You know, he explains what is knowledge. What is knowledge? Wisdom checks the straying senses, expels evils, impels goodness. Why, how? It's a poem, so that I am singing in that tune. Wisdom checks the straying senses. When you are here, your mind is thinking something else. Normally it may happen. If you are not interested, your mind immediately switches over to another place. Your eyes will see some place, your eyes will be seeing me. But your mind will be in somewhere. Physically present but mentally absent. In classes we used to say, you know, physically you are present but mentally you are absent. Why? You are not keenly watching or listening. We used to say. So, wisdom checks the straying senses. Which are the straying senses? We have 5 senses, you know. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears and mouth. You know 5. Those 5 senses our mind will go through the 5 senses accordingly. It can be coordinated and controlled by our wisdom, by knowledge. For example, that is what Thiruvalluvar says, wisdom checks. Which checks? Don't see. You look at the thing which I am guiding you, you see. So that Mahakavi Bharatiya wrote a song when there was a conflict between the mind and the wisdom. Normally it will happen. You may know, tomorrow there is an examination. Normally we used to go, what to do? For get up early in the morning, we will set the alarm and sleep. Exactly at 4 o'clock the clock will strike. But what we will do? We will immediately switch off and then sleep. Another 1 hour it will go. Then we will be worried why we didn't get up. We will ask our parents, why you didn't make me awake when the clock struck at 4 o'clock. So, see, rightly 12 o'clock. See, when we set the clock, it correctly struck. We are getting the alarm at 4 o'clock, but we never awake. We will immediately switch off and then sleep. Again, we will realize the mistake, why we didn't get up at 4 o'clock. So that conflict between the mind and the wisdom, it gives more information. There will be a conflict, but which will win, then only we will be. If the wisdom wins the minds, then we will do the right things as we planned. When the mind do the things as it wishes, then we will be wrong in our attitude. So, aspire, acquire, achieve, perceive, project, present, enhance, enrich, empower, and excel. These are the 10 points. You can make it, I can explain each one by one. Aspire, for example, before coming into institution, you would have planned to join this institution, fill the application form, apply. When you got the seat, as you are aspiring, you acquired the seat. After getting the admission, what would you do? You would read very well, you will be knowing the situation and learning the process, and you will be successful. So aspire, acquire, achieve, or achieved, right? Then enhance, then perceive. See, when inside the class, you will be attending you will be gaining many informations through your faculty members. Perceive lofty thoughts, as said by the people, as you are learning through books, listening the lectures, and viewing the TV, and listening radio, through print, electronic, and by class, you are gaining more knowledge. So perceive lofty thoughts towards your subject, right? Perceive lofty thoughts, project it. See, project reports you are preparing. Even for MBA courses, you will have projects first year, second year, and you will be going to some companies or some banks or any other private institutions or public sectors. You will prepare a project. That project in such a way, you will be presenting it in a beautiful manner. Projects, but that projects should be communicated very well. So communication plays a vital role. That is called presentation. So perceive, project, present. You must present your projects in such a way to make the other people understand your project very well, right? This is not enough. Enhance your knowledge in all the fields, in your subjects especially. Don't be confined with your syllabus, and also extracurricular activities like this HR meet and so many meets you will be having. You are gaining more knowledge by organizing these event management also, right? Enhance, enrich. You are enriching your knowledge and practice. In addition, KAP, normally they used to take KAP technique, knowledge, aptitude, and practice. Yes. You will be doing that. Then enhance, enrich, empower. Women empowerment, you would have heard, not only it is for women, for everybody. We must be thorough with our subject and thorough with our learning and how to empower ourselves individually, right? Then excel. We must excel. Whatever the field we choose, there we must be more successful. So these 10 points will improve the individual improvement. I said 2 eyes. We are human beings, we as a human, how to gain, that is art and science are letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes. Again I am coming to the first couplet which I said earlier. So also individual improvement and community development. These things, if we concentrate more on that, then we can identify good human resources. First, you must make them more resourceful. Who? You are already resourceful. When you go for a community service, you must make others resourceful. Here only, you may be having more opportunities in working in public sectors or private sectors, or you may be having your own companies or your own business plans. But in addition to your plans, think of the community service. In addition to your individual improvement, community development is also one of the factors. Why I am telling this, in China, they are improving a lot than India. Though we are second in number, our placement is not equivalent to the Chinese. Why? There are so many factors, I agree. Even in a radio program, one of my friends who used to travel to China, Hong Kong, Singapore and bring some electronic materials, he makes them into some electronic sets. He is preparing that like a home theater and all. He used to tell me, see, in China, they are not wandering and here and there. Their work spot will be nearby the home. They will be working more time. They will not waste their time by traveling. In Chennai, person who is in the southeast will be traveling for merely 1 to 2 hours. Even in Mumbai, you can see, 2 hours, 3 hours, people will travel from their home to the work spot. It will be taking much time. The human potential will be wasting. Human efforts will be wasting. Whereas in China, all the working spot will be nearby their home. And is it practicable? That question will come. Then we must think in such a way that human resources are utilized very well for individual development and community development. Right. So, on par with China, see, their population next India. So we must think on this line and we must enhance our talents and enrich our ideas to implement it in a better way, in a prospective manner, right? How best we can do some community service. Here only I would like to say, we must identify, adopt some villages. Village in the sense, not only village, even arts college you take. Many arts colleges, I could see, I have visited number of colleges, I had been there, and to academic staff colleges also, where many of the things are arranged by only the professors and assistant professors. But here I could see the difference. In the HR meet, all the students are involved in making all the arrangements. So that is the way. So it is by the youth, for the youth, of the youth, you are doing that. So the same, so you are all motivated in such a way to organize a seminar in the national level or international level. So also it should, the same training, the same information should reach the other people. So those, we must identify some villages, and any one of them, even one village, for example, in Tamil Nadu, Jalagandapuram, one place near Mettur, there one small village, Vanavasal. That village, purely drought area. There people are suffering without no water. No crop is there. So as you know, when there is no water, no farming. There is even bank people, they are not giving loan to the people. Why? There is no farm, no industry, nothing. Then what is the fate of the people? Around 1,000 people, 1,000 villagers have no work. They are with much famine. They are suffering a lot. One of the educated person, he is an engineer who left his job from USA, but he is a native of the son of the soil. So he went to that place and studied the village. Though it's his own place, he studied that village. And what he did, he, in his land, around 2 acres, he constructed a well. And he brought water from the outside by hiring tank water. filled that tank, that well, and from that well, drip irrigation, drip irrigation, drop by drop, that will reach through some tubes, through some pipeline. He again took some more lands and irrigated through that pipes. Within 6 months, he got the result that farm was developed in such a manner. So the village, within 1 year, it improved. Now he has given employment to the village people, nearly around 500 people. The wealth has been, that farming has been developed by one person. But he has to dedicate his life. Likewise, what I think, then you people are coming out. You may be joining in any banking sector or any business circles. You will have very congenial business environment. But you think of yourself as well as your society. So what I request, as a individual, in thinking of you as well as the society, so do some service to the society. That will definitely give more input to the villages. You can, even some clubs are there. Radios, nowadays community radios are being started in various places. Even campus radios are there. Community radio also, CRS nowadays, Ministry of INB, Information and Broadcasting, has introduced a number of community radio stations. The community radio stations are doing excellent service, but we have to identify the station and then improve the local villages. That will help her. So that will help the entire community, that village people, villagers. They are, India is living in the village. Everybody knows villages are the backbones of Indians, our country. So what I request, though, so that I told you, even from the beginning, you were listening to many how to face the challenges. Here is another challenge, to how to improve our own resources, our human resources to human potential. Then potential people should be trained to be a capital. There is no business without capital. Mudal ilarku ஊதியம் இல்லை. Thiruvalluvar says, there is no business without capital in his couplet. Again I am coming to Thiruvalluvar. So that, what I request, individual improvement, I said around 10 points. As I said earlier, aspire, acquire, achieve, perceive, project, present, enhance, enrich, empower and excel. Then community development also, you can think on villages. Primary school, some primary school you can adopt. Because many of the corporation schools, primary schools, no strength. Only the private schools are developing. What is the fate of the children? Those children are very much potential, but they have to be identified. In every human being there is an atom too with enormous potential. You must identify it and explode it for useful purposes. I am doing it for your information. I am conducting competitions every corporation school. Every year I am selecting 1,000 students and giving them prizes in Thiruvalluvar temple, which I am practicing. I am not preaching here, I am practicing it. With that practical experience only, I am telling you, dear young friends, our future lies with you. So what I request, you improve, right? Individual improvement, side by side, community development, think of your nation. So human resources, human should be trained, that all our human, especially the youngsters, the children, the youth, women, awareness programs we have to conduct. That will improve the morale of the people. So you can identify any one of the school where you studied in a village. Now maybe you are studying you are in the city now. Where you hail from, son of the soil, you choose your own village. Many developed people are doing that, I know. Then primary school, some high schools, even some high schools, some classrooms are not there. There are no structure, no infrastructure facilities are available in many of the primary schools and high schools. You can think of that any one of the school, because you may be joining in a very big company or public sector or private sector. You know, 1% or 2%, 3% will be the social CSR, under coming CSR, community social responsibility, corporate social responsibility, CSR will be there. So you can utilize that fund for the development of the people, right? Then arts and science college. All the professional college students are studying very well. What about the arts and science college students? Almost science students, mostly they will be very much disciplined, whereas arts students, they have to be motivated well. Their resources are being wasted. They are whiling away the time on the streets and parks and beaches. I am seeing in Chennai, many of the places. Why? Why the problem? How best we can train them? We can bring out their inherent talents only by motivation and training. Then you take Panchayat Raj. All the villages, you think of that. See, why, when I am coming up, why not I pull up one more boy or one more girl along with me and see the world? Here is a very big world, changing world. You look at the wide world and be yourself a part of it. That possessiveness, we must give that training to them. Then self-help, women self-help groups are, lakhs of women self-help groups are popular in Tamil Nadu. All over India, women self-help groups are there. Many, all the states are having. You think of those small groups, but they are, in Tamil Nadu, in one place, a cow farm is run by the self-help group. And one of the best club was given, self-help group was appreciated in Delhi by the Prime Minister of India when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was there as the Prime Minister. He identified a lady from Sankaran Kovil, and she was appreciated. She was given an award. Why? For running a very good farm, women farm, that they conducted, all the self-help group, cow farm, that is Matu Pannai. That farm was successfully run by the self-help group. Likewise, many I can quote. Then, NYK club, Nehru Yuva Kendra clubs are functioning, but they are not functioning effectively. Nehru Yuva Kendra youth clubs, many youngsters are there. Many people are unemployed. We can think of them. So also, but the NSS units, in the colleges, NSS units are there, serve others. But are they serving others? How far they are serving? How best their services are utilized by the society? Questionable. Think over. Likewise, NCC. I was in NCC as a senior under officer when I was studying. Now NCC is not popular in many colleges, in many places. But earlier days, NCC was very powerful. If an NCC student, he will control thousands of students at a stretch, at one command. I was a C certificate holder. Many of our age were very much enjoying the benefits of National Cadet Corps. Now it is gone. Very few colleges they are having. Why I am telling? How human resources can be transformed into human capital for our nation building. That is very important. So we must, in a broader angle, we must think over it, and community radio stations play a vital role for this transformation and socialization. And each one should teach one is the last one which I want to insist. So, dear friends, letter, number, art and science of living kind, both are the eyes. Art and science are the two eyes of human being. So also, individual improvement, community service are to be necessary for human resources can be transformed into human capital through human practices in such a way, human resources, human development, then human capital. So this will be very much useful. I would insist upon think of success, dream of success, aspire success, toil for success, then success will be yours forever. Thank you very much. Now the floor is open to you for raising your questions. Thank you.